Hello everybody. I'm going to do just a quick, easy, Petit Vour unboxing. I got my Petit Vour box right here. I got my Petit Vour box and I wanted to upload the video for Easter on the 1st, but since it was Easter, I was like, probably shouldn't do that because it's Easter and I was going to like church and stuff with family before I had to go to work. So I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna do it today. I'll just do it during the week. On Tuesday, I'm gonna try and actually give myself an actual schedule. Tuesdays and Fridays. I'm gonna aim for that. Just like I did last week, a video on Tuesday and a video on Friday. I think that could work for me. Yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna quickly go through my Petit Vour box. Bare my all-natural skin. Was in the mood to put in makeup. Nothing wrong with naked skin, right? This is the front of the Petit Vour card this month. Very spring. And the quote says, "You, the wildflower, unfurl in graceful beauty like sunlit petals." Nathan Oldfield. The first item I'm taking out is the original Konjac Angel Cloth from the Konjac Sponge Co. 100% natural vegetable fiber face cloth. For the face of an angel. I've never used like a Konjac. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Konjac sponge. The sponges you can use for like cleansing and stuff. Never used those. It's $16 for these. $16. And made entirely of the Konjac. Konjacu. Is that how you say that? Konjacu? Plant. This pure vegetable fiber cloth will replace your staple muslin or towel. I don't know if you can read that. Forget it. The camera's too far away from me, I've never tried anything like this. I am definitely curious. I really don't. I don't know how these things work, but I'm excited to try something new. So, there's that. Feed Your Ends leave-in conditioner. It has heat protection. It's pure and all natural, 100% vegan, free of gluten, alcohol, parabens, sulfates, and cruelty. This costs $14. And this is not the full size. Full size is $27. So I've been looking for a leave-in conditioner. Well, mainly for my boyfriend. He's been looking for one, so maybe this will work out great for him. Yeah. Another item I have received is from Everyday Minerals. Fresh glowing velvet eyes. I'm going to go ahead and guess it's an eyeshadow. It's $6 and this I'm guessing is the full size because it's not offering me another price tag. This velvety soft tan eyeshadow with pearlescent sheen is perfect for highlighting the lid, brow bone, inner corners, and even the tops of your cheekbones. How exciting. I'm gonna swatch it, guys. Let me see if I can open this without spilling it everywhere. Oh, how convenient. It has a little, I don't know what to call this, but like a stopper thing. I don't know if it's a stopper, but it's not gonna go everywhere. I have to figure out how to open this. Hold on, por un momento. It has a slight sheen. I don't know if you're really gonna, the camera can even pick that up. I'm gonna do another finger swatch real quickly. It does have a really delicate sheen to it. Yeah, I don't think the camera's gonna pick that up on my pale skin, But it does have a pretty sheen to it, even on my hand. I think I should just give up. This isn't gonna show up. But I'll definitely have to give this one a little whirl. And the last item in March's Petit Vour box is this Argan Oil Kahina Giving Beauty. Is that the name of the brand? Yeah, Kahina Giving Beauty. It's Argan Oil. A little convenient dropper, which I always love. $10 for this size. And it's $82 for the full size. I wonder how much more the full size gives you, because this is a very good, convenient size. Like other oils that I've gotten have all been like really, really small little bottles. And some of those have been really expensive also, but I like this size. But yeah guys, that's it for this Petit Vour unboxing. I'm gonna try out everything and actually have some feedback for you guys for my next Petit Vour unboxings. Hopefully I can actually make this video smidge longer. But you know, short videos are good sometimes, you know? But yeah, I can't wait to try all of this stuff that I've received from Petit Vour. I, yet again, am not disappointed. I do not regret starting this subscription. Petit Vour box, perfect. Perfect. Me gusta. But okay guys, until next time, bye. Toodles.